In this video we will share and discuss everything you need to know about Procurement Plan Templates and how you can download and use it. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon. Please like and share this video because we need your support. Watch the video till end, so that you may have better understanding. Let's start the video. The Procurement Plan is an annual document which defines the products and services that a public body will obtain from external suppliers. A sound procurement plan helps a procuring entity to define their procurement requirements and to decide where and when to procure. The Procurement Management Plan should describe how the remaining procurement processes, from solicitation planning through contract closeout, will be managed. For example, what types of contracts will be used? If independent estimates will be needed as evaluation criteria, who will prepare them and when? If the performing organization has a procurement department, what actions can the project management team take on its own? If standardized procurement documents are needed, where can they be found? How will multiple providers be managed? How will procurement be coordinated with other project aspects, such as scheduling and performance reporting? A procurement management plan may be formal or informal, highly detailed or broadly framed, based on the needs of the project. It is a subsidiary element of the project plan. The Procurement Management Plan provides a comprehensive view of all aspects of the organization's relationships with outside vendors, including selection, contracts, relationship management, coordination, and closeout. You can download all these 300+ templates from pm2.biz. Please make sure you have subscribed the channel. Do not forget to like, share and comment on this video. Your feedback is very important. Stay tuned and keep in touch. See you in the next video.